Talking about fitting text to parts, something like this is an essential skill in creating a batch. So let's dive in. So what you will do is the first thing you type the text you want to use. So after typing them, change the alignment to horizontal alignment on the properties bar. You can set the properties bar. You change it to center. Right it. Change also this one to center. So the next thing you do, you click on it, the text you want to use, then you hold down shift, or let's make it easier, click on it, you come to text on your menu bar, you click on fit to part. Can you see it? Fit to part. Then you point the arrow, it will be showing it to where you want to fit it to. So let's assume this is how I want it. Once it is okay, click. You are advised to zoom down in order to see clearly. You must want to adjust it. Zoom down. You click on holding the text. You might want to space it more. Nice it. And you might want to bring it far. So Ctrl Z. You can do that manually by clicking and dragging in or dragging out. So depending on how you want it. You might want to increase the size here or the height here. Okay, can you see? Tallness, you can increase it by dragging up. Increase the height by dragging down. So depending on how you want the text to be, but it's recommended that there should be space in between. And it's okay like this. Let's go to the next one. This, you click on it, and you might want to space it. So let's create space in between them. What you do is to double click, then you hold Ctrl A, then you press down Ctrl Shift full stop, Ctrl Shift full stop. To constrict the space in between them, it's Ctrl Shift comma. Ctrl Shift full stop will create more space. Ctrl Shift comma will reduce the space in between it. So this is how it works. I think it's okay this way. So you click on the picture. And on the next one, you click on it, then you come to text menu on your menu bar, click on the fit to part. You point your arrow to where you want it to be. This one I want. I think it's okay this way. You click. Can you see that it's tumbled, it's mirrored? So to change it, click on horizontal mirror on the menu bar, on the properties bar. Can you see? Mirror text horizontal. Click. So click on vertical mirror again. It's beside it. Can you see it? It's okay now. You might want to adjust it again. Click. So can you see that it's jam packed together? So you double click, Ctrl A, then you press Ctrl Shift full stop, Ctrl Shift period. So this is how it works. Make sure there's enough space. Then you change it to. See that the space is too close to the space. You might want to reduce the size here. Or simply type the number you want. I think that's my 120. I think it's okay like this. So I want to adjust it. Centralized. So this is how it works. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. You're welcome.